Hello there, Newland Goodell here with Elite Weather with the weather forecast coming up here for your Tuesday, March the 29th, 2022. We're going to talk about severe weather that's going to take place across the Central Plains states, as well as fire weather for some locations to the west. So let's jump right into what's going on across the country as we take a look at our big map. We do see that severe weather threat here across the Central Plains from Texas all the way up to parts of southern Iowa, far southern Iowa. Could see that risk for some severe weather. That means isolated tornadoes, some large hail, damaging winds, and heavy rainfall potential for those regions as well. So we do run about a slight risk of seeing that severe weather. And just to the west here, we're seeing our fire danger here. Here is our extreme fire and red flag warnings across parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and into Kansas. So you'll be seeing that dry weather continue with those strong gusty winds in some places in excess of 70 miles per hour and low humidities below 3%. So that potential exists there for fires to break out. We can get really bad brush fires in these situations. There's a lot of grasslands across the plains areas here, and they haven't really started planting yet. So there's a lot of dry brush from last year's farms and things like that. So that stuff can burn quite easily out here in some of those wheat areas. So you want to be careful when you're dealing with things in that area. And we're seeing that wet weather move out of the southwest now as that storm is making its way into the Central Plains state, and it's going to bring that severe weather to the Midwest. And up in the northern part of the Midwest and the Great Lakes, we're going to see some freezing rain, also some thunder as well, with some mixed precipitation for the most part across the northern sections of the country into the mountains, the northern plains of the Dakotas, Montana as well, back into parts of California. Might see some leftover moisture from that storm system as it pulls its way to the east. Here's a look at the temperatures across America. We see those warmer temperatures in the Central Plains, Texas, all the way up into Nebraska. We see those temperatures in the 80s. We see those mid-90s down in southern Texas, and those 80s extending all the way into Florida. That cold air is going to hang on across the upper Midwest for just a few more days. Just hang on. That's going to come to an end for you soon, maybe about the 4th of April or so. And we'll see that cooler weather in the mountains out west as well as that storm have moved through and cooled things down out there. That's a look at the weather across America. I will see you tomorrow for your Wednesday forecast. Have a great day.